A warm good morning to everyone watching my video. I am your computer science teacher from Superhouse Foundation. I am welcoming you all in my educational video. I am here with lesson number 1, evaluation of computers. So here we go. Topics for today are history of computer, various calculating devices, early IT inventors, ENIAC and UNIVAC, generation of computers and types of computers. History of computers. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation. It was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame consisting of rods, each having beads in them. The frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven had 2 beads and each rod in earth had 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Pascal's adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented this machine at the age of 19. It used gear, wheels and dice. It was used for addition and subtraction. Leibniz's calculator. Leibniz's calculator. It was the calculator invented by Leibniz. Apart from calculation of addition and subtraction, it also do multiplication and division and find square roots. Quiz time. Who is the father of computers? Charles Babbage is the father of computers. Early inventors. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as father of computing. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called differential engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. It had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. Lady Ada Lovelace. She was English mathematician. She was also considered as the first programmer who suggested the use of binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. George Boole. George Boole was an English mathematician. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to series of positive or negative answered questions and linked them with binary system. It resulted in 1 for positive answer and 0 for negative answer. Dr. Herman Hollerith. He was an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it and giving the desired output. The input was given through punch cards and the punch cards were used to record and store data or information. Howard Aiken. He was primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controller Mark I in 1944. It was capable of executing long computations automatically. John von Neumann. A modern type computer came into existence when John von Neumann's development of software written in binary codes. He initiated the practice of storing data and instructions in binary code in computer memory. He also initiated the use of memory to store data as well as programs. Neumann joined hands with Prespers Eckert and John Magley. Quiz time. What is the name of first mechanical calculating device? Who invented first mechanical calculator? Who is the father of computing? Phillips. In Boolean logic, dash stands for positive answer and dash stands for negative answer. With Pascal adding machines, we can do only dash and dash. Answers are Abacus, Blaise Pascal, Charles Babbage, 1-0 addition and subtraction. ENIAC. ENIAC means electronic numerical integrator and computer. The first general purpose electronic digital computer was invented by John Mackley and J. Presper Eckert in 1946. It consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than Mach 1. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, was world's first commercially available computer by J. Presper Eckert and John Mackley in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It was also the first computer that was equipped with magnetic tape unit. It used buffered memory. Generation of computers. Based on characteristics of various computers developed from time to time, they are categorized as generation of computers. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. First generation was from 1940 to 1956. They used vacuum tubes and were very slow. Second generation was from 1956 to 1963. They were smaller in size. It consists of transistors and were faster than first generation computer. Third generation was from 1964 to 71. It used ICs, that is integrated circuits. Fourth generation computers was from 1972 till present. They used VLSI, that is very large scale integration. Fifth generation, the future technology, use AI, artificial intelligence. Chart for generation. Types of computers. There are different types of computers with respect to size, speed, storage capacity. Microcomputer, these computers are smaller in size and are usually designed for personal use. Examples are IBM PC. The different types of computers under this are desktop computer, laptop computer, and tablet computers. Desktop computers can be comfortably fit on the top of the desk. Laptop computers are smaller in size and can be placed on the laps. And tablet computers are much smaller and lighter than laptop computers, around 7 inches to 10 inches screen. Mini computers, these computers are bigger in size than microcomputers and are having higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputer. Mainframe computers, these computers are very powerful and are designed to tackle huge amount of data. Example, IBM Z series PDP-10. Supercomputer, they are most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Examples are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, ETA, A10, etc.